my loves, welcome back to my channel. If you're new here, hi, I'm Indu and I make content on beauty and lifestyle. In today's video, we're gonna figure out how to figure out basically your skin type. But first of all, why does that even matter? Because your skin needs help, sweetheart. No matter what, like it or not, that's the reality. Just because we have clear glowing skin with zero pimples on it does not mean that you are safe from the devil that is bad skin. But now you might be thinking, why do we even need skincare? But trust me on that, I understand you because I have been there. I used to be someone who used to hate doing skincare on my face. Basically, I used to hate applying anything on my face. But you need it, honey. And let me tell you, finding out your skin type will help you learn how to help your skin basically. And trust me, that makes a huge difference because your products are not gonna work on your skin type if the products are not meant for your skin, if that made any sense. So it's like taking antacid pills for a headache. So yeah, that's not gonna work. So first of all, let me start off by saying what is skin type. Skin type refers to the hydration level of your skin. Moisture and hydration is very important for good skin. So what do we need to do to know our skin type? Step 1, अपना फेस अच्छे से क्लीन कर लो. कोई भी जेंटल फेस वॉश लगा के अच्छे से क्लीन कर लो. Step 2, leave your skin as it is. Do not apply any skincare on your face for at least 1 hour, or you can also perform this test overnight. अगर overnight कर रहे हो तो वो ज़्यादा better रहेगा. And just go to sleep. आई वुड से अगर आप ये टेस्ट सुबह को कर रहे हो देन ट्राई नॉट टू गो आउटसाइड बिकॉज धूप रहेगा एंड फिर सन डैमेज होगा एंड देन फर्दर मोर स्किन प्रॉब्लम्स. सो ट्राई टू डू दिस इन द इवनिंग प्रेफरेबली. और उसके बाद 1 घंटे के बाद या फिर ओवरनाइट के बाद सुबह को आई वॉन्ट यू टू गो स्ट्रेट इन टू द मिरर प्लीज़ and just check out your skin. If you have shininess going on your forehead, on your cheeks, on the T-zone, and basically all over your face, basically your skin should be looking like you have sweat a lot and it's really greasy, that means you have oily skin. Now if your skin feels very tight and flaky and you see very tiny fine lines on your face and also it feels very stretchy, then you have dry skin. And if you have a dry skin on certain areas of your face and certain areas are normal or oily, then welcome to the worst skin type, that is combination skin. I am one of those. And if you don't feel any changes in your skin type, like it's just normal, कोई भी dryness नहीं है, कोई भी oiliness नहीं है, then you are the lucky one because you have been blessed with normal skin. So one more test that you could perform is, this is basically for people who live in hot and humid place like I do, बिकॉज हम लोग हमेशा पसीना से भरे हुए रहते हैं. नो मैटर वॉट, कितना भी पंखा चला लो, कितना भी एसी में रह लो, ह्यूमिडिटी की वजह से योर स्किन does get very sweaty and oily. So in that case, what you need to do is perform the same things like the step 1 and step 2, that is clean your face and rest your face for around 1 hour or overnight, and then just go close into the mirror, preferably a magnifying mirror, and just अपना pores अच्छे से सामने से देखना. I know थोड़ा सा insecurities होगा because you would be able to see all the imperfections that you have on your face, but just remember that you're beautiful. And if your pores are very large, that means your pores are producing and more active in producing oil or sebum. That means you have oily skin. And vice versa, if your pores are small and shrunk, that means you have dry skin. That means your pores are not that active in producing oil. One more test that you could produce is a blotting paper test. Basically, I saw this test on Wish Trends channel, I guess, if I'm not wrong. What they were doing is they took blotting papers and उन्होंने फेस वॉश करने के बाद 1 घंटे के बाद उन्होंने ब्लॉटिंग पेपर अपने चीक्स पे, चिन, फोरहेड पे, चिन पे एंड ऑल्सो ऑन द नोज. दे जस्ट अप्लाइड द ब्लॉटिंग पेपर, एंड इफ द ब्लॉटिंग पेपर जस्ट स्टिक्स on the wherever the blotting paper just sticks on your face, that means those areas are oily, and if you have dry skin, the blotting papers are not going to stick on your face. So I think that's a very simple but genius trick. You might have heard words like sensitive skin, acne prone skin and stuff, but let me tell you, these are not skin types, these are skin concerns. Some person can have dry skin yet they have acne prone skin, and some person have oily skin yet they don't have acne prone skin or sensitive skin. So these are not skin types, these are skin concern rather. Like I have combination skin type, but I also have acne prone skin. That's a skin concern, that's not a skin type, right? Due to certain factors, your skin types can change. That is whether where you live, because like in summers I have combination skin, but during the winters I have dry skin. So you need to keep in check what is your skin type and do your skin care according to that. With age also, sometimes people, लाइक जब मैं छोटी थी मेरा स्किन बहुत ड्राई हुआ करता था, माई बॉडी स्किन यूज टू बी वेरी ड्राई, बट नाउ आई हैव नॉर्मल स्किन ऑन माई बॉडी. आई नो I have two different skin types. I have normal skin on my body and combination acne prone skin on my face. But yeah, anyways, so with time and with age your skin type also changes, so you need to keep in check of the skin type you have. With that, we have come to an end of the video. I hope you like it, and thank you so much for watching the video. If you like the video, then please don't forget to like, share, subscribe, and I'll see you guys in my next one. Bye.